Hi friends, welcome to Navida Bankers. Today's important current affairs for SBI, RBI and UPSC. First question, which company has launched a portable ventilator named as Spice Oxy? Spice Oxy named ventilator. Options, SpiceJet, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, Indian Railways. The answer is SpiceJet. SpiceJet has launched a portable ventilator named Spicy Oxy. Related to portable ventilator information, ventilator in news 2020. Indian Railways develops low-cost ventilator prototype named G1. G1 is developed by Indian Railways. IIT Roorkee develops low-cost portable ventilator called Pranavayu. Pranavayu develops IIT Roorkee. IIT Hyderabad develops low-cost ventilator called G1 Lite. G1 Lite. IIT Bombay develops low-cost mechanical ventilator Rudher. Rudher is developed by IIT Bombay. NASA develops high-pressure ventilator called Vital. Vital. CSIR and NAL develops non-invasive ventilator called Swasth Vayu. Swasth Vayu. This is about ventilator information in news. Next question. Which nation has signed a deal with India to set up an AK-203 assault rifles factory at Amethi? A. Japan, B. USA, C. Russia, D. France. Which nation is setting the factory at Amethi? Iska is Russia. Russia is set up assault rifle factory at Amethi. Next, India's military deal information about it. 6th International Military Technical Forum Army 20 held in Russia. Russia to launch its first satellite Arctica M. Russia to host 12th BRICS Summit 2020. Caucasus 2020 military exercise Russia. And also assault rifles Arad and Carmel is Israel. Negev light mechanism gun is developed by Israel. S-400 surface-to-air missile systems launched by Russia. Rafale fighter jets from France. Apache and Chinook helicopters by USA. Name the Indian GM who has won the annual World Open Online Chess Tournament title for 2020. Options, Gukesh D, R. Pragnananda, C. Nihal Sarin, P. Inian. Answer is P. Inian. P. Inian is the Indian GM for Open Online Chess Tournament. List of chess related news in 2020. Tamil Nadu G. Akash becomes 66th Grandmaster of India. India-Russia announced joint winners of FIDE Online Olympiad 2020 about chess. Indian Grandmaster D. Gukesh wins 34th Cairns Open in France. Indian Grandmaster Koneru Hampi wins 2020 Cairns Cup Chess Tournament in USA. China wins FIDEchess.com Online National Cup and India wins at 5th rank. Next question. India has signed MOU with which country in the field of geology and mineral resources? Options, Russia, Finland, Norway, Sweden. India has signed with Finland to field geology and mineral resources. List of signs of MOU in News 2020. India and Maldives signed MOU on emergency medical services. India European Union signed MOU on scientific and technological. India and Japan signed MOU on good quality textile products. India and Bhutan sign MOU on areas of environment. India and Denmark sign MOU on power sector. India and Australia sign MOU on mutual logistics support. India and Israel sign MOU on cyber security. Phang Lab Sol is the festival celebrated in which state? Options: Tripura, Manipur, Assam, Sikkim. Phang Labos is the festival celebrated in Sikkim. Other festivals are Dragonfly Festival, Kerala, Nokai Festival, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Jwiging Festival, Assam, Bangas Avam Mela, Jammu Kashmir, Adi Periku Festival, Tamil Nadu, Harela Festival, Uttarakhand, Ambubachi Mela, Assam. Other are Raj Prabha Festival, Odisha, Kheer Bhavani Mela, Jammu Kashmir, Phool Festival, Uttarakhand, Hola Mohalla Festival, Punjab, Kobita Utsav, West Bengal, Fagli Festival, Himachal Pradesh, Gang Kayak Festival, Uttarakhand. Which state or UT has been paired with Goa Unde Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program? Options: Sikkim, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar. Which state has been paired with Goa is Jharkhand. Jharkhand paired with Goa Unde Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program. Jharkhand related news 2020. Mukhyamantri Shramik Yojana, Veer Shadi Photo Ek Hal Vikas Scheme, Birsa Harti Gram Yojana, Neelambar Pitambar Jal Samruddhi Yojana, Pragyam app, Tatpar program related to Jharkhand. As apart from this, Sohari Kovar painting GI tag from Jharkhand. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren Champions of Change 2019 award. And also Large Orange Diamond, it's a chatbot, is developed by ICRA. Jharkhand named after Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. Next question. The AI-powered voice chatbot LIGO has been launched by which insurance company? DHFL Pharma Life Insurance, Bharatiya AXA Life Insurance, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Answer is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Other chatbots in news 2020. Chatbot 19 is developed by Goa. Pi chatbot is from NPCI. Large Orange Diamond TIA is Tata Capital. It's about Jharkhand. Ask Diksha is from Indian Railways. iPal is from ICICI Bank. MyGown Corona Help Desk from WhatsApp. This is the important current affairs in news. I will meet you in next video. Thank you.